10 stylish ways to wear a silk scarf. Okay, since I talk ad nauseum about accessories, I thought we would just focus on one accessory, and that is the mighty silk scarf. And you have heard me sing the praises of silk scarves on and on and on, and especially this time of year because we are in fall, we're headed into winter, so they are a great layer to add to any outfit. It instantly elevates it and it will give you a little extra warmth. So I also thought we would talk about different ways to wear your scarf. So not necessarily, tied around your neck. So I'm going to show you just a couple of tips about that, but I absolutely love this timeless accessory and honestly invest in a silk scarf because I'm going to show you one that I will demonstrate with, and it is at least 40 years old. It's a Gucci silk scarf, floral, still beautiful, still in excellent shape. And if I prorate that out over 40 years, how much do you think that scarf is going to really cost? Not a lot. Honestly, pennies on the dollar. But it's a great way to elevate your everyday look because a silk scarf honestly does wonders. So we're going to explore 10 stylish ways to wear a silk scarf and not necessarily around your neck, but let's get going. Okay, before we get into me tying scarves and showing you different ways to wear them, I'll show you my 3 favorite sizes of scarves. So one is the big silk square, and this is the scarf that I'll use most of the demonstrations with. So this is, I was just really trying to remember, I believe I was 21 when I received this. It was a gift. It's Gucci. It came directly from London, and I have had it for 45 years. Still beautiful, still in great shape. Just a very beautiful floral. Love it. And it really, you can just manipulate it into so many different ways to, again, tie it around your neck or a few other ways that I'll share. But I do like these small squares. So this is a recent one. I believe this is from Talbot's. It's a leopard print. And these are really great for just a little neckerchief tie around your neck. It's not as bulky. You can definitely do that with the big silk scarf, but this is just less bulk. So I like it for that reason. And then the third one, so this has really kind of come on strong in recent years. This is Burberry, and it's reversible, but it's just really a skinny rectangle. And then you can just, and I'll just briefly show you. I love to wear it like under a blazer. It just really elevates any outfit. You can just, tuck it under like that very easily, or use the other side. But there again, just a great little silk scarf to have on hand. And again, less bulk. So let's get into 10 ways to wear a silk scarf. Okay, so here's my triangle. So I'm going to bring that around my neck. And then I'm going to grab the ends, okay? And then I pull it a little bit tight around my neck. But I'm not going to tie it in front. I'm going to come underneath the triangle, and then you just tie it in just a simple knot so it stays in place. Told you, easiest scarf tying silhouette that you'll find. I mean, there's some scarf tutorials and I have to go back like 500 times. So, and I don't like to do that. I like to just be able to do something just at the drop of a hat. So there you go. Super easy. They call it the Cowboy. You can add it, with a jacket. You can add it with your blazer. It's great also with your outerwear, just for that third layer for an extra bit of warmth when it's a chilly day. Okay, this next way to wear your silk scarf is on your head. And do you remember those days? My Nana was very big on this. She would go to the salon and have her hair done, and then she would put a scarf over it for like the next week to protect her hair, her do. So, and like Jackie Kennedy was very famous for wearing this. I mean, it was very, very popular back in the 50s. Or like if my mom used to tie this on my head when we would ride in the convertible. So I still like to do this. And so you just take, there again, you have your triangle. You have your square that you turn into a triangle. Oops. Whoops. And then you put it over your head like this, like so. And then you're going to bring it in front but then you're going to tie it in back. Okay. And it's also, I just think it's just very, very chic. So hold on. And then it really does keep your hair in place. I mean, I look kind of ghoulish right now, but but there again, it's just really an easy way, you know, to have a little head covering. Maybe you're on vacation and then you're also touring a temple or something like that, and you need to be modest. But I think this is really just a great way to wear a scarf and look very, very chic and very 50s. The third way to wear your silk scarf, and again, it's on your head. And if you had long hair, you'd have more options. You could wear it as a headband. You could also pull your hair back into a ponytail and wrap it around the rubber band or whatever you're keeping your ponytail in place with. Love that look. I like headbands. So, and even with short hair, it looks really cute, especially in the summertime. Very cute, casual look. So I've taken the triangle and then I've just brought the tip up and folded it several times into place. So you really just kind of have a long, skinny rectangle. And then, there you go. You just tie it in back. And of course I would be, you know, in front of a mirror and looking a little bit more at my hair to make sure that it's, you know, tucked into place and, you know, looking super cute. But there you go. Even with short hair, you can wear a headband and it looks very, very chic. Fourth way to wear a silk scarf, and that is you just add it to another great accessory, that's your handbag. So there again, I have the triangle that I have folded and manipulated into that long rectangle. And then you just take one of the handles and you just go like this. This is very classic, very tried and true. And honestly, you don't even put it in a knot. I just usually tie it once like that. And there again, it just elevates your outfit. Looks great with handbags, any kind of a handbag. And so easy to do. The fifth way I like to wear a silk scarf is as a belt. And this one, you're actually going to put it through your belt loops. I just have a pair of jeans on. So there again, the square has been turned into a triangle. And then you just have a long, skinny rectangle that you can easily put through your belt loops. So just tuck it in and in. I'm not going to put in all of them just for sake of time. But this looks really cute in the summertime with shorts. You can do it with, as I'm doing right now, with denim. But there you go. And then you can manipulate the knot wherever you want it. But just so cute. An easy way just to add value to that silk scarf. Okay, the sixth way to wear your silk scarf, again, it's going to be a belt, but a different kind of belt. I like to do this with a pair of Bermuda shorts. You could also do it with like a beautiful pair of white pants. I don't necessarily do it with denim, but I'll show you with denim. And this is also a great way, you know, to add a third layer with a summer outfit when it's hot. So you just have your square, it's turned into a triangle, and this is going to sit on your hip like this. And then you just come along and then tie it, and you can bring it up as high as you want to, you know, depending on your pants or your shorts. And then you're just going to tie it like this. And I even have a couple of outfits. I may float those in, pair of shorts, a white pair of pants that I've worn before. And anyway, doesn't look so great with jeans, but it does look fantastic with Bermudas and just a simple pair of white trousers. The seventh way to wear a silk scarf is very similar to the cowboy style that I showed you, but this one is called, I believe they call this the Paris. Let me start over, sorry. So yeah, I need to start over. Oh, you don't want me to stop? Okay. Okay, the seventh way to wear a silk scarf is a variation on the cowboy version that I showed you earlier, but instead of tying it underneath, we're going to tie it on top. So you just take the square, you tie it into a triangle, place that around your neck, like so, and then grab the ends, and then you bring it, kind of manipulate that. So grab the ends, and this time we're going to tie it in front. So you just have a cute little knot in front, like so. Again, very, very easy. Because I told you I like easy. I like things I can remember. I only have so much RAM up here. So anyway, another beautiful way to wear your silk scarf. And there again, you can just manipulate the scarf when you're in front of the mirror, but the beauty of this, very simple, and the knot is on the outside. Okay, eighth way to wear your silk scarf. So they call this Cowgirl point in front. So it's a variation on the Cowboy and the Paris, but doesn't have a knot at all. So you just take your triangle, you pull it around your neck, you grab the ties, and there again, you're going to pull it as tight as you want. And then you're just going to let the points just flow freely. So there's no knot at all, but it's a very easy way. This is a great way to wear it with a jacket or your outerwear. The ninth way to wear a silk scarf, and actually Mr. Style taught me this years ago. So this is a very simple, they call it an ascot. And this looks great with a button up or a button down, whichever you prefer, or even a silk blouse, because you can tie it and then tuck it underneath that blouse. So again, we have our silk scarf that we've put into a triangle, and then now we folded it until we have that long, skinny rectangle. So you just come along, you put it around your neck, okay? And you take the left over the right, and then you just pull it up and over, like so, like that. And then you really just fluff this out like that. So very easy, and there again, it looks very chic when you have a button up or a button down. Okay, last but not least, number 10 for wearing a silk scarf. So this is a very favorite way of mine to wear it, but I do prefer the smaller little neckerchief that I showed earlier, but you can do it with a long silk scarf too. So triangle into the skinny rectangle, and then, actually I did the wrong way, sorry. You need to start front and then bring it around. Sometimes I forget. And then, so once you have it like that, you're gonna look in the mirror, you know, so it's, I like to have my ends even. And then you just put a little simple knot, like so. And then you just have a little pop of color around your neck. There again, elevates your outfit, very easy. I like easy, but 10 ways to wear a silk scarf. Okay, ladies, I hope you loved this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscription box down below and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos coming your way, and let me know what way you like to wear your silk scarf. And I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.